Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into how to integrate new domain in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description below for a link to a free trial. Existing users just log in and follow along with us. Start on the home page. Scroll down and click on Domains on the left-hand side. Continue scrolling until you reach the Custom Domain section. Here you'll see options to either buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. Choose the option that suits you. Once you've made your choice, click Save. Then, copy the provided values and paste them into your website's DNS settings. Finally, hit Validate, and your domain should be verified within the next 24 hours. That's it. You're done. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.